Hello there. Welcome to Consider Civility. I'm Lew Bayer, President and CEO. Today I want to chat for just a few minutes about ally. What is an ally? This is a term that we often hear about. It's referenced in almost every book on social justice and peacekeeping, which of course is a focus of some of the work that I'm doing and some civility experts' teamwork. But what is an ally? And so we put a definition here for you. An ally uses his or her own privilege, this is important, we'll come back to it, to help raise visibility and to create opportunities for those at a disadvantage. So if you think about the idea that if I'm a supporter of yours, if I'm somebody who's going to endorse you, lift you up, empower you, elevate you in some way, then I have to be willing and able to use my privilege and praise and my privilege to raise you up in some way. And so in terms of privilege, this could mean my title, it could mean my time, my resources, it could mean some authority or opportunity that I have or that I can share with you. There's all sorts of ways. But I would also say that we want to be careful how we measure privilege, because you don't have to be a superstar athlete, you don't have to be a CEO, you don't have to be a movie star or somebody who's celebrity, high-ranking politician, somebody in the public eye. You just have to recognize some value or some power or some gift that you as an individual have. And so over the course of my life, I've met many people who have used their privilege to support me. Today I want to honor a woman named Cara Finney, who has been, I would say, an advocate and support of mine for several years now. She works with an organization that I have the privilege of doing some work with, and she is someone who is not ego-oriented. She has a tremendous amount of power and authority, and she actually uses it. She leverages it to benefit me, and I would say about 250 other people who work with her. And she's someone who always acknowledges the working with as opposed to the working for. She has this communication style that is authentic and approachable. She has this knowledge that I think at times even she is completely unaware of the depth and scope of her knowledge and expertise. And I think it's due in part to her not always recognizing her power that makes her significantly powerful. There are many other people in my life who I would consider to be allies of mine, and I truly hope that there are many people who consider me to be an ally of theirs. I want to thank you for your time. Please consider civility, and please consider what skills, gifts, knowledge, opportunity, resources you have in terms of your own privilege that you can use to lift up someone who might be at a disadvantage and be an ally to them. Thanks so much. We'll talk again soon. Bye.